Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a new concept, that is opposites. We have 3 activities. First is full and empty, second is big and small, and third is heavy and light. So let's start. There are 2 glasses on the table. Can you see this glass? One glass is full of crayons, and this is an empty glass. This is an empty glass. एक गिलास में क्रेयॉन भरे हुए हैं और दूसरा ग्लास कैसा है? खाली है. Empty glass. Let's one more example. Let me show you few pins, a box of pins. Now you can see this box of having so many pins inside. It's so many colored pins. But take out all the pins. Now this box is empty. This box is empty. One box is full of pins and this is an empty box. This is an empty box. Second is big and small. What is this? What is this? This is an apple. This is an apple. And what is this? This is a lemon. This is a lemon. And which one is big? Yes. Yes. Apple is big and lemon is small. Let's one more example. What is this? This is a mirror. This is a mirror. Big mirror, small mirror. Big mirror, small mirror. Children, see, things are same, objects are same, but size are different. Big mirror, small mirror. And what is this? This is a sketch. This is a sketch. Big sketch, small sketch. Big sketch, small sketch. And last is heavy and light. Heavy and light. What is this? This is a peacock feather. This is a peacock feather. And it is very light in weight. It is very light in weight. And what is this? This is a book. This is a book. And it is very heavy. It is very heavy. Light, heavy. Light, heavy. Let's one more example. What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. And it is heavy in weight. And what is this? This is a balloon. This is a balloon. And it is light in weight. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. And what is this? This is a lock. This is a lock. And it is heavy in weight. And what is this? This is a key. This is a key. And it is light in weight. It is light in weight. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. So children, I hope you enjoyed this concept. So please revise it. Thank you.